Hi everyone, I'm here with Nicolae from Agrobiotech Romania. Thanks for coming here and for the presentation you have just given. I have a couple of questions in relation to nationalization, the current situation in Romania. First of all, I would like to know which position you are going to take about Dalli's announcement on nationalization. I would like to know your opinion, your ideas. If the nationalization can bring anything good for Romania, or if it's gonna just make the situation worse.
Thank you. Thank you for the invitation, and we appreciate your hard work to bring us here together with Spanish and Portuguese, and we expect really a good chance for the future for our agrobiotech, especially Romania, that was a leader in GMO crops. Romania had a good experience with soybean and round-ready GM crops. We are quite satisfactory, even a good success in, especially in the southeastern part of Romania, with covering all needs for the feed. And we think for the future, a freedom of choice for the farmers could be a very good point in the nationalization if we let our farmers to produce as they know better than politicians here in Brussels or in Bucharest. We have expectation for a real development in agriculture. Output should cover the needs for industry, for the feed industry, for the people feed, and for sure agrobiotech is a solution. If we keep decisions at the level of politicians without any science-based data, we have no chance to solve the difficult, let's say, crisis in feed or even for the people. So, first important point is to let our farmers to produce as much as they can. Second, let make decisions based on scientific data, and probably with new developments, with new rules, with new legislation, much flexible, with freedom, with better possibilities for the farmers to create a real industry, we have for the agriculture good prospects. There are many points, good points in this, and Romania expect a real change in the fact that farmers could solve even this economical crisis we have in Europe now.